Hey synthheads, today we're going to be talking about the Korg Kronos. Hi, I'm Pure Ambient Drone, and this is my channel where I talk about synthesizers. I demo them, I review them, and I make electronica music with them. If you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button and tap that bell, and let's get on with the video. So the first and foremost part of any synthesizer for me is the sound. I think the Korg Kronos sounds absolutely amazing. I think it sounds great. I think it sounds fantastic. I don't think that it has the filter control and the resonance that you would be looking for in a, let's say, analog synthesizer, or even some of the classic digital synthesizers such as the Roland JD800. However, with that being said, it does have a very smooth sound, and it's great for pads. I think it's okay for leads. It wouldn't be my first choice for a synthesizer to replace analog, or even, like I said, some of the classics that are out there, like the Roland JD800 or the Roland EX8000. There's plenty of synthesizers of older days that actually, I believe, in my opinion, can outperform, in many respects, the synthesizer side of the Korg Kronos. The other problem I had with the Korg Kronos was the build quality. Korg could have done a lot better. The dial that is on the Korg Kronos that lets you go through some of the parameters feels very thin and plasticky, and it does not have a smooth rotation to it whatsoever. The touchscreen, you have to press it more than once, sometimes several times, even after multiple attempts of calibrating it. It just doesn't respond to my touches the way that I would want it to. Also, there is a fan noise issue that I have noticed in some of my recordings. I would have trails coming in where there would be nothing but blank sound, and with my headphones on, listening closely, I could hear fan noise, or what I believe to be fan noise. So that to me was a deal killer. But here's the thing, it failed to boot up the third time I ever started it. That's right, it crashed on me, and it continued to crash on me. It's a brand new unit, bought it brand new from an online dealer. I won't mention names here because it's not their fault. They didn't make the unit. And when you buy something brand spanking new and it crashes like the very third time, heck, if it crashes at all, ever, within a certain amount of time, that's kind of scary. So I looked up briefly, didn't do a whole lot of in-depth searching about it, but I did look up what the issue may be, and in every instance, it was required to get it repaired at the manufacturer. I mean, you had to send it back. To me, that's a deal breaker. But overall, the machine sounds really good, and there's a lot of flexibility in it. Would it be the only workstation you would ever need? Yes and no. It depends on the niche that you're into. What kind of music you want to make. Your music genre will dictate whether or not this is the synthesizer that's going to replace your other synths. For me, it is not the synthesizer that I was hoping it would be. I was really hoping with the 9 synth engines that I could downsize a lot of the gear that I have to work on newer projects that have come my way and new opportunities. And it doesn't look like this synthesizer is going to meet all of my needs. It absolutely isn't going to. However, with all of that being said, I don't want to take too much away from this machine because, like I said, it is a beast. The build quality, in my opinion, could be far better for the price tag. Entry level on this machine at 61 keys is around $3,000, just shy of it, okay? That's a lot of money for some of the build quality shortcomings that I experience with this keyboard. Mainly, again, this dialing wheel, very plasticky. It's almost as if you pushed a little hard on it, it'd probably even crack, I guess. I don't know, I'm not going to try. But because of the issues with it not starting up, I'd say 1 out of 10 times it doesn't like to start. And because of that, it's going back, and I'm going to get a full refund on it. I'm not going to waste my time on getting another one. It doesn't impress me enough. So that's my review. It's not a big in-depth review. I mean, there's plenty of reviews on the Korg Kronos where you can listen to pianos and organs and synthesizers, but I thought that I would give you a little bit different of a review. I hope you like the points that I pointed out, because I haven't been able to find out too much about the build quality on this. And anyway, I hope this helps you. If you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button, because you know what? It encourages me to do these videos. And hey, until next time, I want to remind you that you can go to my website, pureambientdrone.com. It's on the screen here. And you can access all of my music and my social media sites. You can connect with me on there too. Until next time, cheers!